teaching which were given to us is wrong. We have diversity, we do not have any contradiction. So those kind of small things we need to know, and we need to reform ourselves. Left liberal has done great injustice to our education system. Through this educational policy, we can go back to basics. So I'd like to request all my resource person who has come from the northeastern region states and also from the state to help us in creating a proper implementable framework for implementing this national education policy 2020. Assam has already made certain progress for implementing this policy. We have created a high-level committee for national education plan policy. The draft NEP implementation plan has been ready. Rajya Shiksha Ayog has been formed. In our next cabinet, we are going to divide our system the way in the policy it has been envisaged, foundation, preparatory, elementary. On that format, we are going to notify our education policy on 25th of this month. And we are also going ahead with setting up of different new university. We have already shortlisted that our Autonomous College of Lakhimpur, Nagaon, and Jorhat, JB Law College, along with Sibsagar College and Handik College, will be given the status of university in next 2 years of time. We are going ahead. We are not waiting for 2034. We are going ahead with the implementable part, whatever is possible on the state government side. We have created policy for teacher transfer, online teacher transfer, recruitment. So everything is going ahead in full swing. Only wherever on certain parts state government cannot do on our own, we need help and guidance from the central government. And I am sure that guidance will come to us now, and I am very, very confident about that. धर्मेंद्र प्रधान जी को मैं बताना चाहता हूं कि असम एक ऐसा प्रदेश है जो हमारा जीडीपी का 6% हम हेल्थ एंड एजुकेशन में खर्चा करता हूं। ये एक हमारा बहुत ही स्ट्रेंथ है। हमारा जीडीपी 4 लाख करोड़ है। Against 4 lakh crore, we spend around 26,000 crore rupees on education. Similarly, we are spending that much amount on health. So both health and education, we have already achieved 6% of our GDP. So that is a very, very positive side on our part. हम लोग बहुत कोशिश कर रहा हूँ। अभी टी गार्डन एरिया में, हर टी गार्डन में हम लोग हाई स्कूल खोलने का व्यवस्था किया हूँ, और आगे जाके हमारा यूनिवर्सिटी, कॉलेजेस, सब में हमने एक नया वातावरण क्रिएट किया हो कि भाई एजुकेशन में कोई टीचर पोस्ट खाली नहीं रहना चाहिए, कोई फैकल्टी पोस्ट खाली रहना नहीं चाहिए। और हमारा क्लास 12 और क्लास 10 का जो गैप था, 2 काउंसिल था, ये सारे हम समाप्त करने जा रहा हूं। और 2022 will be very, very interesting from the point of view of education. Only 7 days back, probably we sat down from morning 9 to evening 8 discussing only about education, and we are putting lot of emphasis, and we want to turn 2022 a year of achievement so far as implementation of this policy, and also for the overall growth of education.